Susie, the training ambassador for Mayflower. Today I'm going to show you how you could make an upgrade for Boss's Day with an 18-inch Mylar. I think it'd be fun if you could make up maybe 4 or 5 of these with different colored latex balloons just to show off this cute 18-inch balloon. So what we're going to need are 4 sets of the same colored balloon with 5 pumps each, and then 1 set of a different colored balloon with 1 pump each. So that's 3 different quads. So with this 1 pump quad, what I did is I took a balloon and put it around one of your weights that you can just get in your department, and I just tied it in to my 1 pump quad. All right. So you're going to take your first layer on the ground, and then your second layer would be the 1 pump quads. I'm just going to set this on so that these guys sit right on top of each other. Now you can just find a scrap of a 160, 260, and you're going to use this to kind of tie all these guys together. Gonna go around. So that it looks like a little flower, a small miniature marquee. Now I've gone ahead of time and I put a piece of tape on the bottom of each one of these, just so that when this is sitting on the ground, if it sits on anything sharp, you're not going to pop these balloons, because these are blown up pretty taut and tight. Okay, so this is going to represent a little box or a present. Okay, so we're going to take an air-filled 18-inch balloon and find another 160 or 260. And then I'm just going to roll the inflation valve so that I'm right at the end of the inflation hole, and then just tie a simple little knot on top. And I have gone ahead and saved a little bit of time and air inflated 2 160 balloons. And I've tied the 2 ends that have been blown up together at end to end. So what I'm going to do is just put the little present or the gift on the bottom. And I'm going to run these 2 up relatively tight. And then I'm just going to do a little cross twist so that it looks like this. Then I'm going to take the balloon and I'm going to take the valve and put it underneath that cross. And now I'm just going to wrap the little tails of the balloon around the base here. Okay, so I'm going to take the face of the balloon so that I have the cross right here, and I can bring these 2 balloons up right parallel with the seam. And then I'm going to take and twist these 2 so that I just have these kind of long ends in there. Now to me it's all about the bow. And I'm going to show you how to make a very simple little bow for this. So it just entails 1 more 160. And you can find these pumps with us here at Mayflower. And they're specifically designed for these 160s. And we're just going to put in about 22 pumps. And I'm going to fill it up so that it's pretty tight. Let out a little bit of air, just so that I have enough at the ends that I could tie together. And then I'm going to pinch it at the end come in and twist it, pinch it at the end, and come in and twist it again. So that I have this little bow. So this bow is going to come and sit right on top here. You're just going to run these two up and around. And if you think these are a little bit too long, you can just bring them in and give it a pinch twist. I'm going to do the same thing with this one over here. Bring it on inside. So that now we have this adorable ribbon on top with a little present for this. So again, if you make 5 or 6 of these up and you have different colored balloons on the base so that the presents all look different, that way you have a little bit of variety for your customers to choose from. Anyway, another fun idea for you to choose from if you choose to do so, to decorate your department for Boss's Day. Thank you so much for joining us today at Mayflower, and have yourself a wonderful day.